You guys see me? I don't think so. But today, I'm going to be unboxing an iPad. I'm so excited. Let's get started. I feel like an official unboxer. Sitting here unboxing an iPad. Everything fell out. I'm going to put it back in because I want everything to be nice, not the caliber of when it was when it first came out. So, I want to get the iPad first. I'm going to get this. I feel like Justine right now. This is the charger to the iPad, thing that charges the iPad. I'm so excited. So this is actually not mine. I'm actually unboxing my mom's, but she said I can unbox it because I guess it's going to save her a lot of time. And we're going to get this. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is the charging block. Okay. Here's the charging block. Is there anything else in here? No? Okay. iPad time. Oh my god. Okay. Take out the little stickies. Oh my god, look. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? Can you guys see? You bring it down to the light. Can you see? You can't see? Okay. Here it is. Oh my god. Look at this silver pack. Okay, you guys can see it, so, I know you guys can't see it. Because I can tell. So, here's the iPad. Sorry, guys. Promise I wasn't lying. But, we have an iPad now. Not really mine, it's my mom's, so I don't have an iPad, but I will soon have a phone. So, bye.